Hi, my name is Carolyn O'Neill, and I'm 1 month post-op from my operation with Dr. Darecchio at the Columbus Clinic for the Diastasis Recti, and I wanted to share with you how well it went, and it went amazing. As I was in the hospital for one night, and after that one night I came home and I healed perfectly. I am finally with an amazing stomach, no back pain. I don't have to run to the bathroom every 2 seconds. I feel fantastic. I've strengthened my stomach. I feel amazing. I can't even tell you, I feel like a new person. And while I was in the hospital, I wanted to share with you my experience that his staff attended to every single need. The hospital is like a 5-star hotel. I felt fantastic in every way. They attended to every need I had. They were there at any beck and call. They really are wonderful. I've been waiting 12 years for someone to come up with this, and finally it is amazing. I feel like a new person. Thank you so much.